Hello guys, this is my new vlog, a video I'm capturing for the one special things which I have found in Jakarta. I'm in Indonesia, Jakarta. You can see this all ground, correct? All ground, the park like a, and this is the towers. So many towers are here. You can see there also these towers, big towers, maybe 15 to 20 floors. But I'm standing now on the 5th floor. This is the 5th floor of this tower. It's not ground. This is an area called Rasuna. Here Hotel Horizon Suit. So this is the 5th floor of this area tower, and on the 5th floor they have maintained so many things. This is a one area, one part, but for this on the 5th floor, a similar area, similar square foot. You can see whatever is there is that side also, and this side for the children and adult, the swimming pool. We have come to enjoy for the swimming now. So this is a swimming pool. Has been maintained on the 5th floor. It's amazing, right? We have seen always in China. So many vloggers are there. They have posted in China. They went to China and then recorded and showing on their YouTube channel. So that's what I thought to record this again. It's my kids. They are started swimming already. And this is for adult and this is for kid. So this all have been maintained on the 5th floor. Amazing, yeah. So this big area. As I told you, this is the one part. If you go to that side, because we have come from that side to here, same area is there. Another swimming pool is there, and in this area you can see the apartments are Rasuna. The area name is Rasuna called. This area is famous for Indians. Maximum Indians are staying in this what is called in this area. So careful beta, careful. So now she has come to this little deeper swimming pool to swim, my child. Okay, go to swim. Swim. So once again, I just want to tell you this all area. You can see all area is all around the 5th floor they have maintained. Here is a garden. You can see there. There's a badminton, a long tennis court, badminton court. Everything is there. I'll show you from here, zooming again. You can see. So all of the big area is a big area. There are 8 or 9 towers that connected each other for the 5th floor, and they have maintained this all garden and swimming pools. This is my son is coming, Darvish. Darvish, careful beta. So that's all I wanted to say in my this blog, because as I told you in the beginning, now ending also I am doing for this sentence, this word. Sorry, the Chinese are famous for this, to maintain all this thing, and our Indians vloggers have been put so many times this how the China is maintained for on the 5th floor, 8th floor, and something they are showing from 7th floor to ground, that how have been maintained the market and everything. So I thought let me shoot this also and make it this one. Thank you so much for watching my vlog.